Hello you lovely people, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Eshna and I welcome you back to my channel. From the title you're aware that it is haul time again, and this time it's a haul from Mumuso. If you're not aware, this is another brand just like Miniso. I have tried a perfume from them once and I liked it, and I thought this time when I went into the store, I'll get my hands on a couple of products again. And I have a big bag of products to talk about. If you want to see what all random stuffs that I have purchased, make sure you stick on till the end because I have got perfumes and other stuffs as well in this video for you. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now, let's start. Before we get started, I just want to wish everyone a very, very happy Holi. I am shooting this on the day of Holi, and I wish all your lives are happy, colorful, symbolizing every good aspect about the festival. So we have two Mumuso stores in Kolkata. One is in Diamond Plaza, another is in Park Street. If you are in Kolkata, then you can visit either of these stores and get great stuffs and at good prices as well. If I neutrally compare with Miniso, Miniso prices are cheaper, of course, but Mumuso quality is good as well. I'll show you and you will understand why am I raving suddenly about Mumuso. It's a South Korean brand as far as I know. So yes, I'll talk about every product in detail. The first product actually that I want to talk about is this huge storage box inside which I have put every product that I want to talk about today. So it is a huge one and it has got this beautiful panda, or what is this print, I don't know actually, bear or yeah, maybe bears or yeah, bear, probably bear. So prints are there. It's white against white only, and this is a big storage box. I'll give you a full view, this big, and it has got this amount of product in it, so you can understand, and the quality is very good. It comes with this lid. If you can hear it, the quality of this is very, very good. So the storage box itself retails for, wait a second, let me check. Okay. So the storage box retails for rupees 289, and what I feel is for 289 you're getting a very good box, a very good quality with a lid, so it's a win-win situation. Now let's move on to all the products that are inside this box. So yeah, I've taken out every product and placed it inside this box. So this big bag is empty right now, and I like this bag, and this bag has also this message that I will reuse this bag to save the environment. So I really liked the gesture. So here is the bag. It's a very big size reusable bag, and I am always up for bags like this, although I prefer bags made of cloth more than paper, because paper is tree again, so yeah, that's it. But then okay, better than plastic. But yeah, okay, so the first product, but sadly there will be a lot of plastic based item because the products are inside plastic only, so I can't do anything about it. The first product that I found there was interesting, and it kind of became a necessity in my house now, is an anti-mosquito spray. Okay, so this one, when I first saw it, trust me, my first thought was this is gimmick. This is never going to work, but trust me, it does. This has got a beautiful smell of lemongrass and citronella, and it says that it fights malaria and dengue mosquitoes. Everything is written on this packaging itself. It's a plastic bottle with a green colored liquid with a plastic lid. The bottle is pretty basic, nothing unusually good or separate for any. There is nothing unusual about the packaging. It's very basic spray bottle packaging. But this one, actually, when I sprayed a couple of spritzes in my room, and then slowly I moved on to the other rooms in my house, trust me, mosquito problem has actually reduced in my house. I mean, despite having liquidators and everything turned on, mosquitoes are part of our lives, but this is helping me combat that. So I am 100% happy with this. I recommend this as well if you have a Mumuso store close to you. If you don't want to buy anything from them, whatever you see there, you can skip everything if you want, but at least get this. I mean, this is a lifesaver. You get a 100 ml product in here and it retails for rupees 179. Yes, I didn't get any discounts here, but the prices were not too steep as well. And I wanted to try, so it's okay. So that was the first one, the mosquito repellent, and that is the first thing that I wanted to show because I love this product and it's absolutely utilitarian. It is not something that is purchased out of a whim or fancy. Now, out of fancy, I have rather purchased a few perfumes and I'll show you that. The first one is called Lace. Just look at this packaging. It's a beautiful packaging of pink and black. It's very classy in its packaging. I was floored by the packaging. They had testers too, so I sniffed it. I liked it as well. So there is no surprise here for me. It's a 50 ml bottle. I'll show you the bottle because they didn't have the boxes. The only bottles were out there which were testers. I'll just show you the bottle and you will understand why I fell in love with this. Just look at this. Lace is written here in black. I hope you can see that. In black it is written Lace. And it's a transparent pink colored liquid bottle with this beautiful lacy hat-like thing. It's a straight up feminine fragrance. It's a beautiful, sweet, feminine fragrance. I will do a detailed review of this later on. Such a cute packaging. I mean, the packaging is something that blew my mind away initially, and then when I smelled it, I was okay. Like, I had to get my hands on these. So this one is, like I said, is 50 ml. The product you get is 50 ml of quantity, and you pay rupees 599 for it. So 600 for this. Yeah, it's a bit higher than the Mumuso ranges. Sorry, it's a bit higher than the Miniso ranges, but the perfume is astounding. Just give it a sniff, you will understand what am I talking about. Next one is again another perfume, and this is called Obsession. This is a 30 ml bottle, and this one has a beautiful packaging as well. See, it reminds me of the packaging from Miniso. They had a perfume called Pink Sakura or something. It's very similar to that. So the packaging is very classy, known packaging, and it's a very beautiful, powdery, fresh, floral type of a smell. I want to review these in detail later on. And these are so petite and tiny to carry around, despite being glass bottles. If you want to carry them with their cardboard boxes as well, you won't have any hassle. Trust me, it's easy to maintain these sort of fragrances. They don't take up a huge space in your vanity as well. You place it and you're good to go. This one, like I said, it's a 30 ml and it's a EDT. It's not EDP. The other one was EDP and this is EDT. And I paid rupees 229 for this one. Moving on, I have another perfume, and that is a men's perfume. This is Impression for men's, and it's an EDT as well, or the toilette. The packaging is very good, and the inside packaging is even better. You get, I'll show you. This was available in a black variant and a white variant, and this is the white variant that my husband picked. He liked this one more, so he picked this one. This is a frosted bottle, huge lid. It's a stunning fragrance. I mean, this is probably the best fragrance that we picked that day. I mean, out of the feminine fragrances and this one, all three together, this is the best fragrance. It's great. It's amazing, it's strong, it's quite sensual as well, it's classy, so it's very nice. And like the name says, impression, you wear this and you will definitely create a lasting impression on people around you. So this one was the most expensive product that I got, and that was rupees 699. You get 45 ml of product. Anyways, good perfumes, you pay something around that only, so that's okay. But the fragrance is to die for. Next up, I have an interesting coin purse that I wanted to get. This is in grey and I wanted to have a coin purse or a small purse. This is called coin purse. I wanted a small purse that will get into my slings and all. So if I take out these stuffs, this is how the space is. It's sufficient to carry a couple of coins. You have a separate holder for your card as well, separate slot for your card I meant. You can have your keys and a bit of cash and coins as well. So it's a very good purse which you can carry around for maybe a quick shop. You want to go somewhere close by to purchase something, you can carry this. And if you have sling bags, you can put this inside your sling bag so that you can keep your other stuffs in your sling bag and the cash separate. This was okay, yeah, I paid 469 rupees for this one, and this is a great quality. The quality immensely is good. It's not a bad material that you're getting. I am very happy with the quality, and I am ready to pay this amount if I get this kind of quality. I saw some purses in Miniso as well last time I went, but it was a very basic suede material which I personally don't like because they don't last, to be very frank. That's why I never reach out for them. But I believe this will last me because this material is good. This is a faux leather here, and this is what should I say, like cords material out of which trousers are made. So it's a thick material, and this will last you. It is not going to wear off very easily. It will not be worn off soon. Next up, I have another utilitarian item, and this is a sewing kit, the set with all these threads and needles, and it's a cute little one that I can carry around, you see. So when I open this, I get tons of important stuffs like safety pins, a small scissor, a measuring tape. This is for sewing. You put in your hand and then you sew so that your hands don't bleed. 2 buttons, some other nitty-gritties. I don't know the purpose of these, so I cannot say. And so this was what was there on top. When I open this, I get needles. These all varieties are there, and I get a huge set of thread. So this is a basic necessity in every house. Sewing needles and threads are something we all need. So this is a utilitarian thing that I got for myself, and I mean the house, everybody will be using it. It's not only me who will be using it. So yes, this one was a very useful thing, and just look at the cute packaging. Yeah. Okay, for this item I paid rupees 199, so 200 for this entire box. And if you run out of these and you don't want to store sewing threads and needles here, you can always keep other stuffs or use it as a lunch box later on once you are done as well. So it's a multi-purpose thing, and I loved it. I bought it. I am just pending 2 stuffs. One is a makeup remover. This is a huge bottle that I saw there. You get 360 ml bottle, and this retails for rupees 469. But it's a huge bottle which will last you like for a long time. I'm hoping it says it is going to soothe the skin. I haven't used this, so I cannot tell you how good or bad it is. But I'm hoping this will be good because I currently use the Bioderma one that is very good. No complaints, but it's very expensive as well. So if I'm paying 460 for 350 ml, it's very cheap when I compare to Bioderma. So even maybe it's around the same price range as Garnier, because Garnier, they don't have any 360 variant. So yeah, I guess no, it's still cheaper. Yeah, whatever. I'm very bad at maths. So yeah, more or less it's a good purchase, and after I can use it, I'll tell you how it fares. And finally, I have one tiny nail polish. It's not tiny, a normal nail polish, and it's this beautiful, this rosy color I got for myself. It has a rose gold packaging as well, and the name of this shade is Blushed Pink. I am always drawn towards pinks and reds and nude colors and all, basically all. Not very experimental when it comes to colors, but I love to stick with these that I own and the kind of I enjoy. This one was cheaper if I am comparing it to Miniso, because their basic nail polishes are also rupees 90 or 99. This was 75. So yes, my storage box is fully empty. You can see how deep it is. You can keep a lot of stuffs here. So this was the first thing that attracted me in the first place when I went into the store. I really enjoyed and loved this one, and considering that this huge box which comes with a lid, this was rupees 289, was definitely a win-win situation which I was just not ready to let go of. So yes, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this haul from Mumuso. I enjoyed my shopping experience there. They had skincare, makeup, what not, but I cannot accommodate everything. So I tried the ones that I wanted to. Perfumes are my biggest weakness, and of course some utilitarian things. And if you want to check out any of these products, please head out to a Mumuso store. I will try to find the links online. They have mumuso.in as well for India, so I think I will get some links at least there. If I can find, I'll definitely link it in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. If you want to purchase anything, I would at least say try this one. This is a lifesaver, and this is something that is useful and everybody needs it in their house. So anti-mosquito repellent, please, this is a great thing that you can give yourself a try. Rest up to you, that is your choice, but the basic big recommendation from me are storage boxes, the anti-mosquito repellent, the utilitarian items like the sewing set, the thread and needle set, sorry. So yeah, that entire thing. If you want, you can check this out. Perfumes are definitely good. All of the perfumes are good that I have purchased, because testers were available, so I sniffed, so no surprise on those grounds as well. So overall, a great experience. So if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give this video a like, share it with your friends, comment in the comment section and let me know if you enjoyed this haul, or what have you purchased from Mumuso if you have, or if you want to, we can have a chat there. And before you leave this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. And also follow me on my social media. All the details of that is available in the description box and at the end of this video, so make sure you check that out. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.